Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Cotton Creations. So today I am bringing you a recipe for those days where you don't feel like cooking, or if you're in a rush and you need to hurry up and eat something because you don't want to buy something out, right? So I'm going to be showing you how to do my quick version of chili. I do have a longer version that's more homemade style, but I'm going to show you my quick version today. So let's get into it.
So to get started, I'm just going to saute my veggies, my yellow, green, and red bell pepper, as well as my onions in a little bit of oil. And next, I'm just going to add in my Impossible Burger. Now I'm just going to add in my crushed tomatoes, but you can also use tomato sauce or diced tomatoes.
Also going to add in our beans. You can use whatever type of beans you want. I'm using kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans. Then we're gonna go in with our chili packet. You can also make up your own seasoning, which I do sometimes, but when I need something quick, I use the packet. Next, we're gonna add a little bit more flavoring, and that is some veggie stock. So we're just gonna pour that right on in there, and then we're gonna turn this down and let it simmer. I'm also gonna add in some jalapenos for a little bit of heat, but not too much because I use the hot chili because we want to be able to enjoy it without our mouth being on fire. So we got to hit it with a little bit of nutritional yeast. Most people like cheese in their chili, so we're gonna give this a little bit of a cheesy flavor.
All right, y'all, so here's what the chili looks like after simmering for about 20 minutes.
All right, y'all, so the chili's done, and I added a little bit of, y'all wanna see? Y'all see that? I added a little bit of my vegan sour cream, and I also added in a little bit of the Vola Life cheddar slices. And the last thing I need to add, that's right, some Fritos. If you haven't had it like this, you should try it. I had it on set one day, and it was everything. But prior to that, I would just eat it with crackers, you know? But we're gonna add some Fritos to the mix. Okay. And let's get into it. Yes, cheese. So good. You cannot tell that this is vegan. Like, for real. So good, so quick, and so easy. Okay? Can you see? So good. Oh, I need another bite. Yes. Anyway, I had a recipe posted for y'all in the description box so you can check it out. If you want to see more of my vegan recipes, head on over to my YouTube channel, Cotton Creations, 2 words, no crazy spellings, just Cotton Creations. And you'll find tons of my vegan recipes there. As always, thanks for tuning in. Let me know if y'all want to see anything else. But in the meantime, please be safe, stay your distance, wash those hands, and be blessed.